The restaurant we went to was called Kinton Ramen. There is a limited summer special called Kinkalicious. You get a 3-course meal for under $20. For your ramen dish, you get to customize it to your liking by choosing all the ingredients and flavors. The first dish had 2 pieces of gyoza and karaage, which is basically fried pork dumplings and fried chicken. It also came with a sweet chili sauce. The chicken was tender and the dumplings were crispy. I got the chicken ramen. The broth was rich and tasty. It came with 2 pieces of chicken and a boiled egg. This is what the thin noodles look like. The egg was softly hard-boiled, so the yolk was still soft and delicious. The dessert was a black sesame soy milk pudding. It was creamy and it was topped with whipped cream. Those are all the dishes that we tried from this 3-course special. I definitely recommend checking it out.